Okay, number 14 is asking us to identify the transformations that are performed on this original logo right here to help us to form the completed logo, which is right here. All right, so what I want you to notice is that this logo right here, for example, this blue, light blue triangle here is way on the outside here, okay? So that means if this distance from this axis over to here is, 2 feet, then that means that this distance from here over to here is also 2 feet. That implies a reflection, okay? So essentially what we're doing is we're reflecting it across this axis, all right? To get this one right here, we can just reflect this logo across the x-axis. So to get this one, it was a reflection across the x-axis. Reflect across, whoops, I said x-axis, I meant y-axis, okay? For this one, it's reflect across the x-axis, all right? But what about this one down here? Well, there's actually two correct answers. One of them is to rotate it 180 degrees. Okay, so if we would grab this thing right here and just spin it all the way around, that'd be 180 degrees, right? Okay, so that's one way to do it. The other thing we could do is create this axis of symmetry right here, and we could reflect it across that axis of symmetry. That axis of symmetry is the line y is equal to x. So there's well, technically 2 ways to do that, okay? So to answer that question, you could say reflect the logo across both axes, all right? And rotate it 180 degrees to get the 4th quadrant, okay? That's what I mean here by the 4th quadrant, right? Okay. Actually, let me clarify that here. To get quadrants 1 and 3, to get quadrants 1 and 3, reflect the logo across both axes and rotate it 180 degrees to get the 4th quadrant. Now that part about reflecting it across the y equals x axis, you can add that, but there's no need to write both ways that you can get it. We've already specified how to get the 4th quadrant. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense for all of you.